I'm going to be talking about Voicetheard today. My name is Patrick Hirth. The reason I chose Voicetheard is that I found it to be an extremely user-friendly website. I've used it in years past. I've used it for other classes. I've also used it in my classroom for certain things. Let me tell you first a little bit about Voicetheard. VoiceThread is an easy way you can create slideshows. You can use interface to import images. You can add video clips. You can add a series of slides. You can upload media. You can add talking. You can add visuals. But really what makes VoiceThread special is that you can enable a published voice thread to be improved or to be commented on, either audio, video, or text commentary, so that it can become a collaborative project, so that more than one person can join in. Instead of perhaps creating a video and watching it, you can now comment and add to the video as well. That's how I've used it in years past in other classes. We've had to watch videos, comment on them, add either text comments or visual comments. So let me show you real quick how a voice thread works here. Let me pull up one of my own here. This is one of my voice threads from years past. This is a simple presentation of my classroom rules and procedures. So as you can see, I have a picture implemented of a simple classroom, and then if I click play, it will play my rules. It has me talking and discussing. You can go ahead and skip to the next slide by clicking this arrow. To leave a comment on a slide, you simply hit this comment card. You can record your comment using your webcam or your microphone, or you can type a comment. This is open to more than just one person, so this isn't just me that can make a comment. This is anybody that can view it. So then you would type your comment, save it, and it will pop up. So when other people view it, they can see your comments or listen to the recorded comments. So that is an example of a completed voice thread. Let me show you how I created that voice thread. What you do is you're going to go to voicethread.com. You're going to create an account just like we do with the other websites. You're going to click on create, and it's very user friendly. That's why one of the pros of this website. You simply hit upload, and it gives you the different resources here. You can do it from my computer, media sources, URL, or webcam. So if you have pictures saved on your computer, you have pictures, you want to Google Images, Google Docs, things like that, you want to take pictures with your webcam, and then you'll simply upload your slides, upload your pictures, whatever you want to do, and then you can add your voice thread to them. So if I want to add pictures here of my explorers, once I've added a picture out of my computer, I can simply click on it. I can add a title to the picture, so I can say here, goals, save it. So I have a title for my picture now. If I want to comment, meaning typing or voice comment, I simply click on it, and then I can hit comment. It'll leave me a voice comment. I can say, this is a picture of somebody at the top of their mountain. This will visualize creating your goals. So that's how you can do that. And then once again, the final step would be share. If you want to share it, if you want to embed it, you can follow the links. You can embed it into a website, however you want to do it. I believe VoiceThread is appropriate for all ages. I've seen documents that people have used doing some research. I've seen people use VoiceThread from kindergarten and up. I think kindergarten's a little low personally. I think people need to have some more computer knowledge than perhaps a kindergartner. Teachers can use VoiceThread in any aspect of your classroom. You can create group projects. You can have people post answers using VoiceThread, and then other students can comment on their ideas. That's a very good way to use it. You can create group projects because other people can respond without being near each other. I know as a college student, sometimes some of our group projects can be difficult to do because it's hard for everybody to get on the same schedule, but using VoiceThread, you can comment on each other's videos without actually being in there in person. It's a good way to build leadership by creating a group project. You can have a group leader that's in charge of the video and editing it, and then you can have different roles, so that can create the different roles and the leadership aspects of it as well. The cons of VoiceThread is, unlike PowerPoint where you can create a special animation or spruce up each slide with different colors and different fonts and different styles, VoiceThread you really can't. It's kind of just the picture, the audio, the comments, and then moving on to the next one. The amount of animation and the amount of sprucing up you can do is really limited, unlike some of the other programs such as PowerPoint. Also, the formatting is different. If you copy and paste over from a PowerPoint slide or a Word document, it'll automatically sometimes change the font or change the formatting to fit their necessary uses. So if you're trying to specialize it or create it in a Word document before you bring it over, the formatting does not always translate during copy and paste perfectly. I believe that VoiceThread has many advantages to diverse learners. I've already hit on the leadership role if you have a group project creating student roles so that students can interact with each other and build communication skills during group work. It's definitely more hands-on. It can get students out of the classroom if you want to perhaps go to the library or the computer lab and change up your classroom format. So that's one way that you can get students involved. You could use VoiceThread to create directions so that students can get online and see directions to a project or a long-term assignment. You could have post homework directions online, so if students happen to forget what the homework was, they could go online and comment on the homework and find out what the actual homework assignment was. These are the many different uses for VoiceThread. So like I said, if you want to take a look, voicethread.com, take a look. It's very easy, very user-friendly.